Hello everyone, it's us again, Succulents Box. In today's video, we're going to answer all your questions regarding succulents, cacti, and propagation. Here we go! Yes, we can propagate from its pearl, but it's quite difficult since most leaves might rot. That's why we suggest that you should propagate your string of pearls from cuttings. You just need a healthy 3 to 4 inch long cutting to start propagating. Just lay the cutting down on the soil and press down lightly. The roots will gradually grow out of the cutting easily. However, if you still want to explore a new method of propagation from a leaf, or may I say pearl, give it a try. Growing a whole new string of pearls plant just from a leaf takes a long time. You need to check the leaf frequently to prevent rotting. To know more about care tips for string of pearls, visit our blog, How to Care for String of Pearls. We will put the link below. This question is referring to water propagation with leaves. During the whole process, do not let the leaves sit in the water. You have to keep the roots above the water. After 1 to 2 months, you can transfer your succulent from water to soil. Before doing that, make sure to allow it to air dry on a paper towel for about a day or two. Once the roots have dried out, gently burrow your succulent into an unfertilized cactus soil and put it in an area where they can only get bright indirect light. You could check out the video, Propagate Succulents in Water, Easy Succulent Propagation Tips. We believe it will give you more interesting insights. Now, let's talk about water propagation. With water propagation, you don't let the leaves touch the water, but you keep it about 1/2 inch to 1 inch away from the water surface by using a plastic wrapper, just like what we did in the video. Besides, you don't need to water them during the whole growing period. In this way, there is no way that your leaves can be overwatered since they do not touch the water at all. Many gardeners prefer water propagation to dry propagation and vice versa. And actually, it depends on the type of succulent you are trying to propagate. Water propagation is new and fun, so why not give it a try? To give you context, we got this question in the comments section below the video, how to propagate cactus easy and fast. We talked about 3 different methods of propagation that you can do with cactus, including offshoot propagation, pad propagation, and cutting propagation. This question was for the last method, cutting. Basically, we just cut the cactus and plant the cutting in the soil after letting it callus over. So what will happen to the cutting? After you plant the cutting in the soil, the roots should appear after 2 weeks or so. What about the mother plant? Will it grow closed again? The sad news is, it will not grow closed again. However, the good news is, with proper care, your mother plant can grow new pups from the cutting point. How amazing is that? That's not all of it. You can also have fun with grafting. Grafting is a process of one species being grown onto a wounded piece of another. This way, you can have control over what kind of new cactus species you want to produce. It's totally your creation. The grafted part is called a scion, and the base or rooted part is the rootstock. Or in this case, you called it the mother plant. So this is how you can do it. Choose a healthy plant to be the rootstock and prepare a scion. Our advice is that you should choose 2 plants in the same genus, since it has a high possibility of the best outcome. The closer the better. Now, you cut off the top of one plant to be the scion, then you beheaded a cactus that you want to be the rootstock. Set the scion on top of the cut proportion of the still rooted rootstock. Use rubber bands to hold the piece joined as one. In about 2 months, you can remove the rubber bands and the union should be sealed. Voila! Now you can name your very own unique plant. Now that's it for today. Hope you guys can enjoy and find these tips helpful in propagating your succulents and cacti. We'll see you again next time.
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.